also the aspects of it. You have, it's like your hand, like, you know, you have the singing tradition, you have the poetic tradition, you have the music tradition, you have the dancing, and you have the folklore. And in this country anyway, I don't know about anywhere else, but they're always closely connected, and you come across them in the one place. You could be in this where we're sitting now on Sunday night or Saturday night, you'll see some people getting up and doing a bit of dancing, or someone will get up and do a recitation. There's music, and you know, it's still very much, they're like the hand, their fingers are all part of the one thing in Ireland. They're not separate things. Well, as sure as Mick McDermott is my name. Then he grabbed himself a bench and says he, unhand that wench, or as true as God I'll give you all a whack. Well, it was over in a minute. There was really nothing in it. He flattened their 3 boils with one swing. And in the midst of consternation, he said, "No to ring the station. 'Tis me duty to report this sort of thing." Well, that's about the lot. Except, of course, the Mott. Sure, we never see her now around the flats, because she married Gord McDermott, and they've a house in Ballyfermot, and they're raising up a bunch of culture brats. And for their wicked life and crime, the Teds are doing time. They're breaking stones and they're cleaning prison delf. And he never did find out who drank their pints of stout. Sure, the guilty one was none other than myself. I didn't think I'd get through it.
Walking on Pilbeg Street, an hour before midnight, I notice a girl huddled in a tattered blue sleeping bag, hunched against the October cold, the wind biting at her bones, with a face much like my own. We are mirrored in age, though recently her circumstances have changed. Chance is a game we play. Did her last roll of the dice leave her fearing things she never thought of twice? Is she afraid she will die tonight, on these cracked cobblestone streets through which someone can slip so easily, with the howl of a banshee in her ears calling slowly for her breath to be stolen with the cold, before the sun can rise to give heat to her bones? Is it true that she hasn't known warmth in weeks? Is it all she can hope for in this faded out sepia-toned dream? Does she ache for it, as she attempts to lie down and sleep, to dream of the mundane brilliance she knew of fresh sheets in her own bed, lying in on a Sunday till whenever she pleased, not to be woken up to be told she better find another place to be, by another guard who doesn't know what best to do with the displaced people, the half-forgotten of our society? Does she find solace in all that she can? A stolen glance from a passing stranger, that person who showed her some kind behaviour? I wish I could walk by her at a different time and know her circumstances mirror my own, wonder of the story that is her life, of what gives her that bright smile. As we do ponder another passers-by place in this world, wonder where she is off to tonight, what is it that gives her love in her life? But homelessness is the story of our times. All these questions are written between the lines etched into her face, but there is hope within her eyes. As they meet mine, I see there is a fire inside, hoping that she will soon see better times. I think of what I can do for her tonight. As I walk by, I acknowledge her presence in the streetlight's illumination. I give her what I can and let her know that I see her. For a moment, there is connection here. We are connected in the hope that change is near.